Hello and welcome to the Duckback training series. I'm Adam Bell and today we're going to cover the condition of wood. So the condition of wood, you have to think of it as like the beginning point or the canvas to a picture. So we have to identify what condition the wood is. Old, new, mildew, weathered, or maybe it's a combination of new and old because you had a new structure built onto it. But we got to take a look at it before we clean it. Now, step back real quick. Before we do any staining, we gotta clean it. And there's a couple of things to think about. So if it's mold or mildew, simple test, get some household bleach, drop it on one of those areas that look dark because of the mold or mildew. If it disperses immediately, then you know it's just mold or mildew. Use our cleaner, designed to go ahead and, it's a harsh word, kill it. You can't remove it, you need to kill it. Then you have white wood or a bleached out wood, and you can use our wood brightener. It's designed to adjust the pH level, shock the wood, and again, get that canvas ready to stain. Then we have our wood cleaner for new wood. Why would I ever clean new wood? What's new to me and new to you may be two different things, and we don't know how long it's been in the lumberyard or the mill sitting there. So you gotta lift the dirt and pollen out before you stain it, so even if it's new wood, clean it. And then there's old failed products that start to peel or bubble. We have a wood stripper that's designed to get underneath that failed product, loosen it up, bubble it up, and then you can just simply take it off. But the wood stripper needs to be neutralized after you use it. So after you use the wood stripper, go ahead and use our cleaner to neutralize the product. Thank you for spending time with me today. As always, remember, Duckback exterior stain and sealer, easy to use and easy to love.